Okay, let's solve this. So how to write this? 381 to the power x is equal to, we have to convert this 27 also in base 3. So we can write this 27 3 to the power x. Okay, so what will happen is 381 to the power x. Now if a m to the power n is equal to a m n, power get multiplied. So here what will happen is 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power x. Now as base are same, powers will be equal. So 81 to the power x is equal to 3 into 3 to the power x. So 81 we can also write in form of 3. So 3 to the power 4 into x is equal to 3 to power x plus 1. So a m into a n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Okay, so rewrite this. So again this formula will come. So 3 to the power 4x is equal to 3 to the power x plus 1. Now again base equal, so power will be equal, so x plus 1. Now transfer it this side. So 4x minus x is equal to 3x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 3. So this is the value of the x. Thank you very much.